Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is gonna design this image file which is I downloaded from internet. We're gonna design this image file into the 3D model. So I'm gonna show you how we gonna do it. So let's begin. So before we start, if you guys are new to our channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press this bell icon too, so that you guys get all the videos notification on time. So guys, select the file, new part, okay. Then we're gonna select front plane sketch. I'm gonna show you how to do it. We select the front plane the sketch. Then we're gonna select rectangle, center rectangle. We're gonna draw a rectangle. So we have to define this rectangle. So gonna do that, we have to define some dimensions to it. So the dimension is from we get here 68 by 92. So put the dimension 92, 68, and then we're gonna extrude it. I'm gonna select height is 18 mm. So we're gonna select feature extruded boss 18 mm. So that it put 18 mm on this box. Click OK. Now we're gonna have a first base of this our 3D model. So now we're gonna select this face, and here we're gonna sketch. So let's sketch. Select this face. Select this face. We're gonna sketch on this face. So here we got the dimension, the sketch of this. Let's sketch, select a line, and we're gonna select draw two lines. This, if you guys have any doubts, please comment down in the comment section. I will explain in our next videos. So now we're gonna put the dimension 6 mm and the height is 53 mm. So this face and this sketch edge is 53 mm. So now the dimensions of the sketch, this arc is 18 mm. So select arc. Let's start. And this dimension is 125. From here we can get, select this smart dimension from here to this point, 125. Click OK. Now we're gonna offset this sketch for and about for 12 mm. 12 mm in reverse direction. So gonna reverse, click OK, and now we're gonna close this sketch to be post extruded this, and now we select feature extruded boss. Then we're gonna select blind and up to the surface. We said gonna select this surface. Let's see this how's gonna we do. Now we're gonna draw this cylindrical face. So do that, we're gonna select this face. I want sketch, normal tool, circle. We're gonna draw two circles here, and so that we're gonna smart dimensions in this circle is 80 mm, and the smaller one is 40 mm. and the height of this cylindrical shape, we're gonna have to define this edge center of the circle also 125, and define this sketch so that it can be completely defined. So select two faces. I'm sorry guys, because I'm here new, so I'll improve my height is 5 mm. I hope you guys have no doubts. If you guys have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Please, I will be clear all the doubts in the next videos. Five, because it's what else यहाँ पे देखिए गाइस कि 6 mm हमारे यहाँ पे नीचे भी है. So let's 6 mm downwards. So do that. We're gonna change this sketch plane of this cylindrical shape because 6 mm downwards. So edit this. We have to edit the sketch plane of this cylindrical shape. I'm gonna edit, and now is selected this one, so we're gonna have to select this one because 6 mm is downwards. Select OK. Now this is shape is now as per the image file. Now we're gonna remove this face inside the cylinder. So select this face, convert entities, and click OK, and extruded cut, and through all we're going to select here from through all and click OK. Now inner shape inside the cylinder has been removed. Now normal 2. Now we're going to have to design a ribs in the center, so that we're going to select the right plane, click OK, and so firstly we're going to draw arc. So we're gonna select 3-point arc from here and draw a 3-point arc. 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point is here. So I'm gonna coincide with this cylindrical shape. So now this radius of this arc is 12 mm. 12 mm. Okay, and the height of this arc is 24. Click OK, and there is another arc of radius 42 mm. So we're gonna have to draw another arc. Gonna select 3-point arc. 1 point here, 1 point here, and here. Now this dimension of this arc is 42 mm. Now so there is a line. To complete this ribs, we have to draw a line by a concentric with this arc. So select this line from here to here, and gonna trim the extra part, this and this. Now so we're gonna draw a sketch on this face. So control, select this as, plus this as, this as. Guys, you have to press control, select all these lines and convert entities, and trim the extra part. And now this is closed sketch to be boss extruded. Select extruded boss and select contour from here, and then now we're gonna have to select mid plane. mid plane, and the thickness of the ribs is 14 mm. So put the 14 mm in here, click OK. Guys, here is a zero thickness geometry, so untick the merge result and let's see, it's completed. Now we have to draw these two circle cuts in this base plate. So select this face, circle. The dimension is 28, diameter of this 16 mm, and this side to this side is 20 mm, and the other side is 28 mm. And now 28. Now this is completely defined. This same circle we have to draw on the other side, so that we're gonna mirror this circle to our center line, and select this circle, mirror entities, select mirror about and OK, and gonna extruded cut. So through all, select and click OK. Now we guys have our 3D model almost completed. Here we're gonna draw a fillet of 6 mm radius. Now is completed, our design is completed. Hope you guys enjoy our video. Please like, share and subscribe.